At some point in your journey, a lingering seed of doubt may have been sown in your mind, a quiet whisper suggesting that you weren't good enough, smart enough, or talented enough. But let me tell you this, my sweet darling, that wasn't the truth. That was merely noise, a cacophony of insecurity trying to drown out your true potential. Now is the moment to take control. It's time to turn down the volume on those negative voices that echo in your mind and instead amplify the vibrant sound of your inner champion. Remember, you are here for a purpose, and you carry something extraordinary to share with the world. Let's embark on this transformative journey of self-belief starting right now. You are wonderfully unique. Your special talents shine like hidden treasures, waiting to be discovered and unwrapped. Perhaps you have a flair for storytelling, weaving tales that captivate the imagination. Maybe you're a master problem solver, able to untangle complex issues with ease. You might even be a creative artist whose expressions breathe life into the ordinary. Perhaps your true gift lies in your ability to make others feel seen and heard, illuminating their lives with your kindness. Take the time to delve deep and uncover what makes you truly shine. Reflect on the activities that spark joy in your heart and make you lose track of time. What are you naturally inclined to do? What brings you a sense of fulfillment? These reflections are precious clues to your unique gifts. Embrace them, nurture them, and share them with the world. After all, they are invaluable and deserving of recognition, beloved. What activities make you lose track of time, transporting you into a state of pure flow? What do people consistently compliment you on, and how does that make you feel? What challenges or problems do you instinctively gravitate towards, ready to solve? What subjects ignite your passion for learning, sparking a fire within? Carve out dedicated time to hone your identified strengths, like a sculptor refining a masterpiece. Seek out opportunities to apply your skills, whether it's through personal projects or collective ventures. Share your talents with others, shining a light on the unique contributions you bring to the world. Embrace challenges as fertile ground for growth, refining your abilities and expanding your wisdom. Engaging in the comparison game can lead to a spiral of frustration and unhappiness. Every individual walks a distinct path, woven with unique experiences and opportunities. What may work marvelously for one person might not resonate with your journey. Instead of measuring yourself against others, focus on the progress you're making and celebrate your achievements, no matter how small they may seem. The only real competitor in this race of life is the person you were yesterday. Your inherent value is not diminished by someone else's success. You are precious simply by virtue of your existence. Embrace your individuality. Celebrate your quirks and stand tall with pride. Never apologize for being your authentic self. Within you lies a wellspring of unlimited potential, brimming with possibilities, waiting to be explored. Don't allow the doubts of others to overshadow that brilliance. Have faith in your capacity to learn, grow, and manifest your dreams. Surround yourself with uplifting influences. Set meaningful goals that resonate with your spirit, and take consistent steps toward those aspirations. The world craves your distinct gifts and talents. Embrace this potential. Step boldly into your power and make a profound impact on the lives around you. You have the ability to accomplish remarkable things. You've got this, and Yah's got you. Silence the clamor of negative voices and unleash the strength of your inner champion. Identify and nurture your unique gifts and talents, letting them flourish unabashedly. Refrain from comparing yourself to others. Instead, focus on your own unique journey. Believe in the vast potential that resides within you and take resolute action towards your dreams. Shalom, my sweet darlings. Mwah.